In addition to building a shopping list and mobile coupons, you'll also find great healthy living articles and recipes in the Sprouts app. To browse our library of healthy living articles, go ahead and tap on the menu icon that's located at the top left of the screen and select Healthy Living. From there, you can scroll through the various articles or use the search and filter functions to find education about a specific topic that you're looking for. For mouthwatering recipes, select Recipes from the side menu. From here, you can search for recipes by healthy attributes like gluten-free or dairy-free, or by meal type like salads, appetizers, and main dishes. When you find a recipe that you like, tap on it to see the description, ingredients, and instructions. You can also tap on the green Shop Ingredients button and add ingredients from the recipe directly to your shopping list. Plus, when you're ready to start cooking, you can use the special cooking mode feature by tapping on Directions and then the yellow Enter Cooking Mode button. In the cooking mode, you'll advance through the recipe by tapping through each step, making it easy to follow, and it also helps you know exactly where you left off as you're making the recipe. After you're finished cooking, don't forget to snap a quick photo and share it to social media using #LoveSprouts for a chance to be featured on our Instagram or Twitter. We hope you enjoy using the Sprouts app, and if you have additional questions, be sure to check out the frequently asked questions section located below. Have a healthy day!